Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Chuck Schumer said that the House does not support a standalone bill. Nancy Pelosi has said on many occasions that she will not approve any standalone bill. She's made it very clear of that fact because she has blocked many of them. But the Mooch Man still wants to vote on standalone bills, knowing they will be dead in the water, just like they have been in the past. But still, he insists on doing it. This is just killing time. It's making the American people suffer more. It's making American people lose everything they have because he can't get it through his thick skull that standalone bills will not float. Now, on the House not supporting standalone bills, have you noticed that so far the House does not support any bill enough to get it passed? Whether it's a standalone bill, a skinny bill, a bigger bill, any bill, they hadn't got passed yet. So the House cannot just say that they don't support standalone bills. Reality is they don't support any bill. But now, it's not fair to put all the blame on the House and Nancy Pelosi when none of them are willing to bend enough to get it done. They're not willing to bend enough to get a bill passed. If we are so close like they keep saying they are, then why can't they bend just a little bit more and get it done? All of them are at fault. And the way I see it, they all have to be voted out. Okay, y'all, hold on. I'm about to say something about Donald Trump, but please hear me out before you click away. Donald Trump was in Pensacola, Florida last night for a rally. He's been here many times. He must like this town, I don't know. I have never been to one of his rallies, and I never will go to one of his rallies. Last time he was here, he always comes to the same place. There's a UPS hangar at the airport, and that's where he always goes, to the UPS hangar. And then right on the other side of that hangar is a huge field where people gathers to watch him. And they have people inside the hangar also. Last time when he came, that field, the next morning I passed by there, it looked like a landfill. It was a dump, horrible. An hour later when I came back, it was crystal clear. Completely clean. I don't know how they cleaned it up that fast, but they did. My props to them. There was no sign that anything had ever happened there. But the mess that they made, that I seen before they cleaned it up, I was totally disgusted. I said, how can these people make such a mess like this? There was lawn chairs scattered, broken up ice chests. I mean, it was horrible. If they filled 40-yard dumpsters, it would have had to fill up about 6 or 8 of them. That's just how bad it was. But I digress. What I was wanting to talk about is how you see Donald Trump on TV. He's talking about the fake media. The fake media is not showing all the thousands of people here. They only show a few people. I have to hand it to him. He's right there. They are thousands and thousands of people out there. Tour buses coming in. as we was passing by, there was at least 8 tour buses. As we came back by, same thing, tour buses everywhere. Now, where they're busing these people in from, I don't know. I don't care. But he is right. They are tens of thousands of people out there that the media does not show. Okay. I will not go to one. Like I told my daughter today, when we seen all that, we was going on how over the top that is, people going out there to see him like that. They're going to go through all of that traffic, standing in line, all of that heat out. I mean, just everything that they go through to see him, and he's only going to talk about 20 minutes. It's not worth it to me. And once you've seen a Donald Trump rally, you've seen them all. It's the same thing over and over and over. And not picking on Donald Trump, but they're all the same way. I remember back when I was a kid, I went to all of Ronald Reagan's rallies, and they was all the same. But I loved Ronald Reagan, so I went to them. Okay, when will we get a stimulus bill passed? Y'all, I really believe they have been dragging their feet all this time not to get a stimulus passed until after the election. A lot of people saying that, will we get one before the election? I do not see it at all. It will be after the election, and I wouldn't be a bit surprised if it's after the first of the year. The reason I'm saying that is, okay, when this first started back in the first of the year, they gave us a stimulus package. Now it's almost the first of the year again. I don't think they're going to get one passed until after the first of the year. That way they can give us one after the first of the year. And then after that, I think that will be the last stimulus package we get. I don't think we'll get another one after that. So remember back months ago when the Mooch Man was saying that this will be the last stimulus package and we was all hating on him about it? Kind of think he was right. Y'all, if they wanted to get a bill passed, I believe in 6 months of trying like they say they are, they would have been able to get it passed. But they're simply not trying. It's a force. They're lying to us. Y'all remember the first stimulus package that we got when this first started? Yeah, it took a long time to implement it once they got it passed. It took a long time for a lot of people to get their stimulus checks. But it didn't take long at all to get it passed. I mean, it was almost like, okay, we got the COVID virus. Boom, we got a stimulus package. It didn't take long at all. And I believe that they wanted that to be the one and only stimulus pack that we got in 2020. Now in 2021, we'll get another one, and then that will be it. It didn't take long at all to get the first one passed. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin keep saying that they are very close on reaching a deal. And they feel very optimistic that it will be soon. I don't think so. And I am so sick of hearing them say that. They're lying to us. They know they're lying to us. I will say this again. I think they ought to lock all of them up in a big room. Donald Trump, the Mooch Man, Nancy Pelosi, Mark Meadows, Steve Mnuchin, Larry Kudlow, all of them, Chuck Schumer, all of them, lock them up in a big room and tell them to reach a deal. And do not come out of that room until they reach a deal. Leave the room, leave them in the room, wheeling and dealing, whatever it is they want to do. Lock the door behind them. Do not give them no food or water until they reach a deal. And tell them for every day we don't have a deal, that's a month off of their salary. And if that don't work, let's lock them all up in a big prison cell for what they have done to America and the American people. They all need to be in prison. Y'all, my stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives are in the links below. Check it out. You might want to get one. My cookbooks and my business books are in the links below. My mastery course is down there. It's doing very good. Y'all, check that stuff out. You may want some of it. I don't know. The mastery course is doing very good. I think I got like 42 people in it now, and they all seem to like it. I have not had a single complaint about it. That course, most people would charge $1,000. I only charge $35. And it's a short course. It won't take you long to get through it. At the end of the course, you will have an ebook making you money. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. Come back at 12 noon. I'll have another video for you, and then come back 10 o'clock tonight. Please subscribe. Sunday we're going to have a giveaway, and you cannot win that giveaway unless you're subscribed to the channel. Every Sunday we have a giveaway just for the subscribers. I love you all. Keep your faith in God. We will get through this. He will see us through. I know He will. He has seen me through a lot worse than this, and He will see us through this whole ordeal. Y'all, say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for all of the leaders. Say a prayer for everyone that's touched by the COVID virus and by the wrongdoings of our government. I love you all. Until 12 noon. Ciao.